Prague is not just a city with stunning architecture and rich history, but also a haven for couples seeking luxurious relaxation. In this guide, we will take you through the top 5 couples spa retreats in Prague, offering a perfect blend of opulence, intimacy, and holistic wellness. Located in a 13th-century monastery, the Augustin Spa offers exclusive couples suites and unique spa rituals inspired by Augustinian monks. Experience Asian serenity in the heart of Prague, with private spa suites and customized aromatherapy experiences for couples at the Mandarin Oriental Spa. Relax by the Vltava River, with panoramic views, side-by-side massages, and a mud chamber for 2 at the Four Seasons Hotel Prague Spa. Immerse yourself in traditional Czech wellness with unique offerings like a beer bath for 2 and garnet crystal therapy at Spa Lázně Mandarin. Located in a neo-Renaissance palace, Karlo IV Spa offers a heated indoor pool, gold-infused treatments, and private Turkish hammam experiences for couples. Best time to visit: shoulder seasons for good weather and fewer crowds. Pricing: expect to pay between 200–500 EUR for couples packages. Language: English-speaking staff available at all spas. Customization: most spas offer bespoke experiences. LGBT-friendly. Yes, all spas welcome couples of all orientations. These luxury couples spa retreats in Prague offer more than just relaxation. They provide an opportunity for reconnection, rejuvenation, and unforgettable shared experiences. Book in advance to secure your slice of paradise and immerse yourselves in the lap of luxury for the ultimate relaxation and romance in Europe.